The amount of good things in your life depends on your ability to notice them. Now, yung mindset mo on how you view things, be it a positive or a pessimist one, yun yung magdadala sa'yo sa kung anong goal yung sinet mo sa buhay mo. Kung ang goal mo is magpaka-victim, well, of course, you will see everyone, every group, everything to be oppressing you. Diba? Ngayon, kung gusto mong mag-improve, diba? Kung gusto mong mag-improve, yung mga bagay na mapapansin mo, of course, has something to do with chances or opportunities na pwede kang mag-improve. Andyan yung pwede kang mag-aral, pwede kang makinig, pwede kang matuto. Yung mga bagay na yun yung mapapansin mo. Diba? Kaya, importante ang pagkakaroon ng isang magandang mindset towards a better life, because yung mindset na yun yung magbibigay sa'yo or magtuturo sa'yo ng opportunity. Kaya baguhin natin yung mga mindset natin towards noticing the opportunity to become better for ourselves. Well, this is your lifestyle coach, Mark. You could book a free clarity session so that we could check if we could work together towards your goal. Have a good day.